In this video, we are going to take a look at how our Read and Write toolbar will help us read an internet page. So the first thing is we're going to open up to something. When students are first learning a tool, it is important that we have them learn using an area of interest. So I'm going to be using the International Space Station, and I have chosen Wikipedia. Many teachers argue that Wikipedia is not informative. However, because we're just trying to use it for students' high interest areas, we want to be able to, or we are able to use a program like Wikipedia. So the first thing you want to do is up at the top, we want to open our Read and Write toolbar. So click on the extension one time, and in a few moments, the toolbar will open. Now it does look slightly different than when you look at it on a Google Docs or in Word Online. One of the new tools that is here is our hover speech. So hover speech works by turning it on, and we notice that our purple line is underneath it, and then we are able to hover over, and it will read out loud to us. When you move your cursor and hover over other words, it will read wherever you leave it. To turn it off, we're simply going to click on the hover speech icon on the toolbar, and it turns off. Another useful tool on the toolbar for reading the internet is our screen mask. When I turn the screen mask on, I am able to access and be able to only focus on one paragraph at a time. I can change the reading light by coming over here and choosing my settings and going to my reading light size. We can tighten it up or make it very big. I find that 150 is typically a paragraph. We'll leave it right there. To turn it off again, we see the purple line underneath it, and we turn it off. Now, a website like Wikipedia has three columns. We have our index over here, we have our content, and then there's always pictures over on the right-hand side. There's also the blue words within here that makes it hard for emerging readers. So another tool that we have access to is our Simplify page. We're going to click on the Simplify page, and what this is going to do is open up the middle content from the Wikipedia page, and we are going to be able to read it here without any of the other distractions. I can also choose Simplify, which is going to reduce the content. So when you're differentiating for students within the inclusive classroom, you will be able to, everyone will be able to read the same article, but everyone would get it at a different amount with supporting details. We're also able to change the font and the text size. So there's a lot of customization, which really meets the uses of universal design for learning. And that's how we are able to use our Read and Write toolbar to read the internet.